Hello everyone. We're gonna talk about programming languages. But what are programming languages? They are the tools we use to write instructions for computers to follow. Computers think in binary, and programming languages help us translate ones and zeros into code that humans can understand. Programmers are the ambassadors between the world of humans and computers, and programming languages are the tools they use to tell computers what to do. Thinking about learning to code but not sure where to start? One of the most common questions we hear, which programming language should we learn first? The answer is technological industry changes fast, and with over 600 possible languages to choose from, it can feel daunting to find the one that best suits your needs. Still, it basically comes down to what you are looking to achieve. Here, we'll explore some of the most popular language so that you will have a better idea of which one is right for you.
So let's talk about Java. Java is a highly level class-based object-oriented programming language that is designed to have a few implementation dependent as possible. Other information about Java. Java is a popular programming language created in 1995. It is owned by Oracle and more than 3 billion devices run Java. It is used for mobile applications, desktop applications, web services and application services, games, and database connection. Why we use Java? Java works on different platforms as Windows. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It has a large demand in current job market. It is easy to learn and simple to use, and it is an open source and free. It is secure, fast, and powerful. It has a huge community support. Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allow code to be reused, lowering development costs. There are 4 platforms of the Java programming language: Java Platform Standard Edition, Java Platform Enterprise Edition, Java Platform Micro Edition, Java FX.
We will talk about HTML programming language. The most important part of HTML is to create a web page. The HTML tags are used to describe the content on your website. These tags are used to display text, images, and other media, such as video files and sound. Without these tags, you wouldn't be able to create web page that could be displayed on browser like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Here are some of the most important uses of HTML. 1. Display text and links on your website. 2. Display images in different sizes and positions. 3. Added colors and effects to your text or other elements. And HTML has a lot of properties. We will talk about one of them. href. The href is an important part of the HTML document. The attribute tells the browser where to go when a user clicks on an image, link, or other elements in the document. The href is also cancels the hyperlink reference because it creates hyperlink between one page and another. You can use href to create links to external resources such as pages, files, or image on your website or on another website. Finally, in HTML document, you can use 2 types of value for the href attribute: absolute URL and relative URL. An absolute URL is a web address that starts with http:// or https:/ and includes all information needed for the browser to find its destination. A relative URL not starts with a protocol http:// or https:/. Instead, it describes how to get from one location to another within your site.
So let's talk about Python. Python is another general-purpose programming language. It plays an important part in data science, machine learning, and web development. You can even use it to program desktop applications. This versatility is one of the reasons why it's ranked as the 4th most popular programming language in the survey linked above. Python has a low barrier to entry. It is simple but elegant, with many real-world applications, one notable example being artificial intelligence. As seen in web scraping, Python has the capability to extract a large amount of data.
In the end, to summarize the very small brief of information about some programming languages and how they are very important, several and differ among them, whether in writing, coding, or even usage. Programming languages have a very massive importance in our personal life, jobs, and even developing countries, and that makes us interested in reading and learning about it. So we all have to encourage teaching about programming and using it to be all professional in its basic and advanced skills. So I really advise you to follow your passion in the field of programming and do your best, especially if it's related with your job, which will lead you to a whole new position of efficiency. And finally, thank you for listening.